everybody, Anna here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change a headlight bulb in a late model Honda Civic. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the headlights on this 2019 Honda Civic. Procedures will be similar on a lot of late model Civics, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open your hood. Slip the wiring harness off the bulb you need to change by pressing it on the tab and sliding it down off the back of the bulb. Remove the bulb itself from the headlight housing by turning it counterclockwise and lifting it out. When you handle your new headlight bulbs, be sure not to touch them with your bare hands. Finger oil or grease can cause hot spots on the glass that may make the bulbs burn out prematurely. Lower your replacement bulb into place and secure it in the housing by turning it clockwise. Slip the wiring harness onto the bulb until you hear it click into place. We always recommend you change headlights in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.